Monday, September 19th, 2016. Monaco 64 here, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. So just want to talk about the markets this morning. It's around 8:30 London time or 3:30 in New York or the Eastern Seaboard in the US. So what's going on this morning? Gold actually is up $8, which is nice. It's at 1317.50. The high's been 1318.68. Silver has done well as well. So gold is up about 0.5%. Silver is up about almost 2% at 1914. The high's been 1919. The stock market is doing well as well. The Dow is up 93 points, up 0.5%. S&P is up 10 points, also 0.5%. Bitcoin is at around 607, 608, so it's up slightly. Not much move there. As usual, lately we've seen consolidation. This week, of course, on Wednesday, we've got the Bank of Japan meeting. They come out early in the morning, London time, so very early New York. It's even late Tuesday, I think, for some parts of the U.S. They're not really expected to do much, but it will be interesting to see what they come out with, the Japanese. They've had trouble with their monetary policy. They're losing credibility, in my opinion, with the general public, not with me. You know, central banks with me, they haven't had credibility for years. The Fed, of course, has a 2-day meeting this week, starting on Tuesday, tomorrow, and finishing on Wednesday. Of course, Wednesday is going to be when they announce the result of their meeting. It's up in the air, kind of. I think the expectation of a small hike is around 25 to 30%. I personally don't think they'll do anything. They'll also, Yellen will also have a press conference and talk about all the economic forecasts for what that is worth. So a little bit more about gold, silver, and Bitcoin. I'm going to talk a little bit about the technicals here. I know the technicals are difficult in any market because sometimes you think you're seeing, things are going to go one way and they don't. But it helps. Like in the beginning of the month, gold, silver looked very good. On the 6th of September, we had a massive update on gold, and it looked like we were going to go, further up the week after that, but we didn't. Since then, we've seen, as you can see on the chart here, we've seen gold basically making lower lows and lower highs since that day, the 6th of September. Last week, we touched a low of 1306.30. That was on Friday. That was above, though, the 1st of September low, which was 1302.55. And I spoke before in one of my videos, maybe a few weeks ago, about how 1303.80 was going to be good, important support. And it seems to have held that level for now. And the reason why 1303.80 is a good, the reason why I saw that number is because that was the high in gold in the beginning of May, 2nd of May, before we saw a big correction that felt a little bit like the one we've had now, all the way down to 1200, from 1303 to 1200. Right now, I think this correction is going to be shorter. As you can see today, we're very close to breaking Friday's high of 1318. We've been there, 1318.68. So for gold, we need to really see today, or preferably today, gold get up above 1318 and 1320 and close above those levels. That would make the chart look a lot better. Of course, we still have a long day ahead of us. The U.S. and COMEX haven't come in, so anything could happen. But it looks all right for now, gold. So now we move to silver. Silver last week kind of consolidated. You can see on the chart here that the trend isn't as bearish as it's been in gold. It's been holding, between above and below $19. Last week's low was 1866 Friday on the 16th of September, and we've held the 29th of August low, which is 1839. So it looks all right, but again, we need to see a move above the 1925 area, 22 to be exact. 1922 was a double bottom in July, and yeah, in the middle of August we saw that big move down in silver, and we broke that 1922 level. So we need to get back above that level. So a close above 1925, 1930 today or this week would be good for silver, would confirm maybe that we're going to see another leg higher. Now, moving on to Bitcoin. You can see in the chart has been quite, lackluster, the range in Bitcoin over the last few days, trading around 605 to 610. I think it still looks good. We just need to get back above, really 630 is the key resistance above in Bitcoin for us to see a continuation of the bull trend in Bitcoin. So that's it for now. I think it will be an interesting week, especially with the Bank of Japan and especially the Federal Reserve Bank coming out with their, the FOMC meeting on the 21st. Bond markets as well. This morning, pretty much unchanged. 10-year yield 1.69, 30-year 244. So if you enjoy my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to donate to my channel, we accept Bitcoin or fiat money as well, unfortunately for now. There's 3 links below in the description about the donations. Take care. Bye.